Hey everyone, it's Meranda Cooper, Health and Human Sciences Educator with Purdue Extension Tipton County. Today we're going to make a recipe for our Food, Fun, and 4-H series, and today's recipe is overnight peanut butter oats. This recipe is so easy, it only has 5 ingredients in it. The first thing I want to talk about is what you are going to put your overnight peanut butter oats in. My suggestion is to use a bowl that has a lid with it. I like to use this bowl. Something else that works really well is just a regular mason jar with a lid that goes on top. Making your overnight oats in a bowl or a jar that has a lid makes it really easy to just grab it in the morning if you're rushing out the door before school or work, and it makes it really easy and convenient. All right, so let's get started. The first step of this recipe is to combine 4 of the 5 ingredients and stir. So the 4 ingredients I'm using are honey, chia seeds, peanut butter, and oat milk. All right, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and the sweetener I'm going to use is honey. The recipe calls for maple syrup. You can use maple syrup, you can use honey, you can use brown sugar, any sweetener you would like. Those 3 obviously are the best choices for this recipe. All right, the next ingredient I'm going to use is 3/4 of a tablespoon of chia seeds. All right, now it's time to add the peanut butter. So this recipe takes 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient we're gonna add is a 1/2 cup of oat milk. You can use oat milk, almond milk, dairy milk, whatever you prefer. The last ingredient I'm going to be adding is our oats. So I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of oats and measure them out. And I'm going to give it another really good stir. You want to make sure that all the oats and all of the ingredients are submerged in that oat milk, or whatever milk you want to use in this recipe. You can use your spoon to kind of pat down the ingredients. Make sure that everything is soaking up that milk. All right, the last thing to do in this recipe is to simply cover your bowl and put it in the fridge. All right, so I have waited overnight. I've let my oatmeal set in the fridge. And so now you can see it has absorbed all of the oat milk It is a nice thick consistency. You can see all of the ingredients in there that has just soaked up the oat milk. And now I like to eat it cold, but you could most certainly heat it up. You pop it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds and stir until it's warm through, or put it in a saucepan and heat it on the stove. That does it for this edition of Food, Fun, and 4-H. I hope you enjoy overnight peanut butter oats. If you have any questions about this recipe or any of the others in the series Food, Fun, and 4-H, feel free to give us a call at the Extension office.